This is one of my traders bank 400 plus pips. You can see 173, 167, 136 pips, and today a couple of losing, but mostly he banked all these trades been open from last week. Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week and month, and first week of the month. What a blessing start of the month, guys. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Even one of my traders closed few positions on dollar yen bank 400 plus pips today. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you guys how I did today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, and then I'll show you the best trade of the day. All right, so if you look at the EURUSD trade, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had a price nicely respected. We were being long from Friday. If you haven't seen my previous analysis video link is given in the video description. So as this morning, price nicely broke on this pattern, and after this breakout we were expecting a pullback here, which price nicely did at the Asian session, and then we were long here. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and the exit. If you look at here, since the market opened, that's the old analysis. As you can see here, yesterday, last night, once the market opened at the Asian session, I explained look for pullback. We have one pullback, second pullback, beautiful trade. And at the London morning session, I said to guys look for another breakout. As you can see here, based on the momentum, beautiful breakout long trade, bank few PBs. And at the New York session, you can see here some sort of reversal, but as I explained to my trader, most likely we're going to be looking here pullback at the 4-hour. As you can see here, price nicely developed a breakout, and after that I explained my trader as long as the price stay above this level, so just keep taking a pullbacks. So even I also did updated this analysis just to trader not to miss this opportunity of breakout, which you can see here, another analysis just updated. As soon as the price broke on, beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, I said to guys, we can bank some profit or you can keep holding it. Some of the traders still holding it, but we manage amazing profit on EURUSD. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar cable. We had amazing trades on the cable. As you can see here, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had such a nice beautiful reversal on Friday. So this today morning, as explained my trader, if the price gonna break this major resistance level, most of the traders they were expecting a short, but I said guys, we're going to trade what we see it. So we've been long for whole day, guys, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you all the entries and exit in intraday. All right, so if you look at here at the market open, I can see here this was the analysis at the market open. That was a pretty standard breakout long trade here. A London morning session, pretty standard breakout, beautiful long trade here. And after banking some profit at the New York session, another price reverse. I said look for another breakout based on the momentum. Beautiful breakout long trade here, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, look for another pullback, pretty straightforward. But I said to my trader, look here, if the price gonna break this level, then we're going to, like you can see here, price broken this level at this level in 4-hour, and as you can see here, price broken the previous high, and that's what I explained my trader, just keep taking a long trade here. We had an amazing breakout long trade here as soon as the price hit this level in 4-hour at this resistance level, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we analyze in 4-hour, how we analyze in intraday, and banking profit every single day. All right, so dollar CAD, beautiful trade. We at the Asian session we had a short trade here, and as always price respected. We can see here early sign of reversal, falling wedge, and we had a long trade at the New York session, even though news wasn't good for the dollar. But I said to my trader, we're going to trade what we see it. We don't want to be trapped into the market makers. We had a beautiful breakout, and afterwards keep taking a pullback. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a beautiful trade at the Asian session, pretty straightforward. As explained my trader, we have a you know, price is downside. As you can see here, we have a downside channel pattern, momentum is bearish, so only going to take a pull counter long trade here if the price gonna break and retest. As you can see here, I explained, look for pullback, price develop pullback, beautiful short trade here after banking some profit, as you can see here. Then I also mentioned another breakout opportunity just to make sure my trader don't miss the opportunity. We can see a very beautiful breakout. Technically, this is the update of my previous analysis just to help my traders not to miss the opportunity. We had a beautiful short trade here, and at the New York session, as you can see here, price reverse impulsively, and I said to technically price should stay below this one pullback, but we haven't seen any pullback. We have this level, and if the price gonna break, then keep taking a pullback. That's what I explained my trader. If the price gonna break, then short. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and afterwards beautiful pullback, and all these trades I explained through live ID commentary. And as soon as the price hit to the first target, if you look at here in 4 hour, price nicely hit to the target, and that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. Let me share with you the best trade we had it. That was the dollar yen. One of my traders banked 400 pips. He was being short from a couple of positions from here and banking all these close mostly trades today, bank amazing profit. And even today we had amazing trade on dollar yen. Let me share with you the dollar yen view, and then I'll show you his trades. Okay, so if you look at here, and you can see here, beautiful, you can see here, that was this at the market open, that was the beautiful breakout short trade here. Price came back here, as I look for price developed false breakout, another breakout, bank. This one we came out of the break even, and afterwards price reverse, and that's what I explained my trade. Look for this point of interest. If the price gonna break short, break long, here you can see here, beautiful break, bank amazing profit, and wait for the news. As you can see here, price came back here. I explained my trade. If the price gonna fail to break this level, look for this breakout. If the price gonna break this level, beautiful breakout, pullback. As soon as price hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit, and price reverse, as you can see here. Then again I did this analysis, look for this breakout. As you can see, if the price gonna break long here, otherwise continuation. That was the beautiful short trade here. Even price now at this level and bank amazing profit. All right, so let's see here. You can see here, this is one of my traders bank 400 plus pips. You can see 173, 167, 136 pips, and today a couple of losing, but mostly he banked all these trades been open from last week. That was the from on Friday, from here taking a short trade here, and he hold this trade. Today he closed and banked 400 pips. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's right. As always, if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill, you can also get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.